Stop wearing your jeans like it's 2020. The 2026 denim and sneakers trends are shifting fast. Here is your exact blueprint to 2026 fashion. This year's fashion is all about clean fit, good quality denim, classic sneakers, and effortless old money casual vibes. When it comes wear jeans according to your body type. Not every trending jeans works for everyone. And drop the ultra skinny and baggy jean. 2026 is all about the Goldilocks fit, fitted at the waist, straight or tailored wide leg through the opening and hitting the right at the ankles, or grazing the shoe. Fit is what makes the denim looks expensive. Quality matters more than trend. Good denim keeps its shape throughout the day and doesn't become loose after 2 hours. Now let's talk jean trends for 2026. Dark wash denim is everywhere right now. It instantly gives old money casual energy. Style dark washed jeans with white, black, beige, navy, burgundy, etc. Also straight leg jean and wide leg jean are also huge trend in 2026. They make every outfit look clean and classy. And yes, denim on denim is back, but make sure the washes either matches or intentionally contrast. Now sneakers. 2026 sneakers trends are becoming more minimal and timeless. The massive chunky dad shoes is officially taking a back seat. 2026 belongs to slim, low-profile silhouette and retro performance runner. They create a clean, unbroken line from your hip to your toe, which makes your look taller and more polished. Using belt, slightly tuck in your top or layering will you that structured look. Also don't forget color combo and fitting. That's literally the secret of old money casual vibes. Please do like and subscribe for more fashion tips.